I like the intimate format, that there's not that many folks here and that I can really get to know people high up in different organizations like Boeing, Airbus.
It has a variety of different types of interaction. So you've got talks by leaders, so that sparks some conversation and some ideas. But there's also breakout sessions as well as the supplier interaction, as well as the dinners and the different events.
For me personally, this has worked out really fantastic. You know, it gave me some free time to catch up on my office work, email, and also to network with others. So this is so much more better than attending a huge, big conference.
You get to see a lot of what drives innovation in manufacturing, what other folks are doing at the cutting edge, at the state-of-the-art level, and understanding that year to year and seeing that change is a big driver for why I keep coming.
It's not very often where you have a group of people who are at the level of the organization, a high level in the organization, who have the decision-making power, but also have the technical knowledge of the business challenges.
I think the topic and the subject matter is always appropriate and always topical. I think you do a very good job of attracting the right level of speakers who are really, truly engaged in moving that topic forward.
What works great is some of the suppliers, we have great alignment and we find the information really helpful, and what it does is it gives you just enough time to have a meaningful conversation, and then you have the opportunity for follow-up.
Everybody has been very nice and friendly and willing to talk and communicate. So it's a very good, open environment.
The networking opportunities are really key and unique that sets this event apart from others.